What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Cronos coin, guys. CRO. Obviously most of you may know it as crypto.com coin, and it has been rebranded to Cronos quite a while back, and as you can see, it has been pumping in value quite a bit over the last 24 hours. At the moment it is worth just under 12 cents and has gone up nearly 13% up in value. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you invest? Should you sell it if you are on a profit? Or is it just time to hold on to the crypto? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its price prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and also mainly looking at is it worth investing into it this year and also going into 2023. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. A link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, guys, we are on the Coinbase website. In the last 24 hours, it has gone up just about 4%, and crypto.com coin, or Cronos, has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it has just about, well, more or less fluctuated. We can see it peaking up in value, but right now it has dropped quite a bit over the last 20-30 minutes. Over the last day, 12% up. Over the week, again another 12% up. So it's been quite volatile for most of the days except today, where it pumped up in value. And over the month, however, it is down 7%. So overall it is down, guys, and as you can see, we have seen it peak up in value here and there in between, but overall it has dropped in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a huge nearly 300% in the last 24 hours, making it $114 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Cronos. And again, we're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it's been getting a lot of attention recently. As you can see, a massive 95% buy against 5% sell. So yeah, we've got way more people investing into the crypto rather than selling it. I myself do own Cronos as well. I've been holding on to it. Again, guys, 2022 was meant to be a big year for crypto.com with the Staples Center and so on. However, again, it hasn't been performing too well, but again, it's all about the long-term hold for me anyway, so I'm still holding on to it. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale on the daily chart, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Cronos, which at the moment is 0.1128. However, it is trading at just about slightly higher value at 0.1191, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. But we can see that is very, very close to the SMA indicator, meaning it's performing like it's meant to. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, guys, what can we see? We do have the blue line and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Again, it's not looking too steep. It is just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning very minimal drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a minimal decrease in value on Cronos. However, that does not mean we're not going to see a pump up in value. Yes, we are also going to see green candlesticks. I'm expecting it to go above the 12 cents target, potentially even hitting 0.1250, this target here, over the next 3, 4, 5 hours, and then slowly starting to drop back down in value. But again, the drop that I'm talking about is not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be a very minimal decrease in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the blue line is just about flat out going in a straight line. So again, we've got one line looking bullish and one line just flat out going in a straight line. Again, an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect Cronos to be more or less at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. And I keep mentioning it's not going to be a major bull run or a major price pump. It's going to be a very minimal increase in value. And again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side, so do expect minimal gains in value over the coming days. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We're looking a little bit more bullish this time, guys. We've got both the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is expected over the next couple of weeks. So late October, early November, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Cronos, hopefully going past the $14 target, hitting about 15 cents is what I'm expecting by early to mid-November. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs with any major drops, major crashes, or major bull runs. Hopefully we see that, because we haven't seen that much in 2022. What we've seen is major crashes more than anything else. So yeah, hopefully we should be able to recover towards the end of this year. But again, nothing is guaranteed, guys. Things like a major crash is not expected, and things like a major bull run is also not expected. So but what I will try and do is keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, we are not performing too well. We dropped into the red zone back in May this year, so about 3-4 months ago we did drop into the red zone, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 27 cents in target, which again, we are quite far off from. We're going to have to go for approximately a 250% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Cronos anytime soon. So more or less, guys, it's very likely for the rest of the year we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive upwards direction, going towards the resistance target to hit the green zone, that's all that matters. So hopefully we should start to move in a positive direction. If you guys want regular updates on Cronos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. But before I end the video, what I want you guys to do is comment down below your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest or lowest figure Cronos can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, and especially all the ones that have been saying, positive and negative comments. Has your predictions on this crypto changed after this pump, or is it still the same? Comment down below. But yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.